All right, welcome back. So I'm over at my dad's place again and show you another really cool one of his inventions. He put a snowblower powered by a snowmobile engine on front of a backhoe. So let's I'm gonna let him walk you through exactly how he put this thing together. So how did you do this?
Well, most of these industrial backhoes don't have a PTO, and so you got to have an auxiliary engine to run them, and so I just got this snowblower here. It's a PTO driven snowblower, and just use whatever parts we had around the place. And so what I did is had this little, there's this little Alice Chalmers gear, 3-to-1 gearbox here that has a PTO shaft here on it coming out, and let's see, this was run off a gearbox that went into a tractor, and so we just put that on there. And to run it, we just took a 540 Yamaha snowmobile engine and clutch and rigged it up here and put a coupler, two like Browning tapered couplers, not Browning, but the ones with 3, what are those? Anyway, couplers here, and hooked it, the shaft here, and stabilized it over here so we can actually adjust the whole engine and everything back and forth this way to tighten the belt. And anyway, it runs that. Now to keep it governed, we just took this little independent governor and belt driven. You don't need to be tight or anything, you just have to spin, and run it to the cable to the carburetor, so that when we pull on it here, it'll open it up, and then as it spins too fast, this will come back and govern the carburetor to keep it at a safe speed. And then kind of did a poor job of just making it so we can take the blade and hook it on and go with it.
It's a bit of a quick attachment.
What's that?
Quick attachment.
Kind of a quick attachment. These were already on the blade, so I just put it on there. It kind of low budget, but it blows snow, and the snowmobile engine is pretty good for starting in the winter time when it's really cold and you need a snowblower. Just go ahead and try to start your little diesel engine. You know, you might have to wait till the snowstorm's over to get it started. Anyway, so it works pretty good. You probably saw it blow snow, so.
Gas tank for the snowmobile.
Yeah, the snowmobile gas tank, and
you got your oil injection tank sitting over here. It's just all mounted up.
And then you can see I bent my muffler a little bit.
Yeah, we got some
on
video.
That deal, I guess something happened. I don't know. It was loose. Anyway, we tickled to death. It blows snow good.
Yeah. So I filmed him blowing snow before we filmed this intro. So I think it's a pretty cool, really cool thing put together, and it really clears the snow. So you'll see that coming up here in just a second.
quite another cool invention.
That's how a snowblower made with a snowmobile engine on a backhoe works. Thanks for watching.